afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hailey Bennett and I am a staff engineer at Intelligent Concrete. And today I am here to talk more about my LEED Green Associate journey. So my last video was on a lack of motivation, and luckily I have overcome that for the most part. Obviously some nights I'm like, I don't really feel like studying, but I've been doing it. I found my why. I want to save the world and all the concrete in it. So I've really been pushing LEED studying this week. And one of the things as I was re-reviewing my notes that came up was creating SMART goals. And this doesn't just have to do with sustainability or green building. It can play a part in almost every aspect of your life. So what is a SMART goal? So a SMART goal should support your project vision. So really the end result, what you want to accomplish, it should be aligned with that. It should be clear so that all can relate and understand your goal and kind of how to achieve it. It should be achievable. While it's great to have all these lofty ideas and goals of what we want to do and accomplish, especially when it comes to green building, we need to choose a goal or decide on a goal that we can make happen, that we can make improvements and work towards a more sustainable world. It should be measurable, either quantitatively or qualitatively. So, for example, if I just said that I wanted to reduce potable water intake or use at this building I'm constructing, there should be a way for me to measure that. So whether I collect a baseline of what my water use is before this project, and then I begin tracking my water use every month, maybe every 6 months, whatever it may be. As long as I have a way that I can measure it, I can determine whether or not I reached my goal. Lastly, it should be achievable in the space and time constraints of the project. And I think the most important thing, in my opinion, when it comes to SMART goals is that it's an iterative process, that you're really revisiting the goals that you made and kind of deciding, is this what's best for me or for this project or for my company right now? Or can I tweak it to make it maybe more attainable or more ambitious or whatever it may be. I think sometimes goals get really set in stone, and it can be decided pretty early on that maybe that goal isn't so appropriate or relevant to what you want to achieve anymore. And so being able to kind of revisit that, take a step back and kind of see the next push or the next thing that you can go after to reach your end result, your end main impetus, the focus of what you want to accomplish. So that's just a little bit about kind of SMART goals and how they pertain to LEED certification. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching. Go concrete, beat asphalt.